Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can upload a background on Teams. So that's a very simple thing to do. You just go in, need to tap on the three horizontal dots, then choose background effects. At the following page, tap on this plus sign over here. Choose the image that you would like to set as your background from gallery, and then choose it among other images over here. Tap on done, and as you can see, that will be it. The image has been successfully set as our background, as you can see should see at least from this preview window. Yep, here it is. As you can see, I'm showing my hand, and at the back of my hand, there is this background successfully set already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.